Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. Mazda continues its push into the premium SUV market with the all-new 2025 CX-70, a two-row midsize crossover that blends sleek styling, engaging performance, and upscale comfort. Positioned between the compact CX-50 and the larger CX-90, the CX-70 is designed for drivers who want a more dynamic experience without sacrificing luxury. The CX-70 follows Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, featuring a long hood, a bold grille, and sharp LED lighting for a premium look. The aerodynamic profile and available 21-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty stance. Inside, the cabin rivals luxury brands with high-end materials like Nappa leather, genuine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 12.3-inch infotainment display and a customizable digital instrument cluster, while the spacious two-row layout ensures comfort for 5 passengers. Mazda offers 2 engine choices for the CX-70. The standard 3.3L turbocharged inline-6 delivers 340 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system for smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. For eco-conscious buyers, a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, version combines a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing over 300 total horsepower and an estimated 30 miles of electric-only range. Both variants come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and iActive AWD for confident all-weather driving. The CX-70 is packed with the latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, a head-up display, and a premium Bose sound system. Mazda's MiDrive system lets drivers switch between modes like Sport, Off-Road, and Towing for optimized performance. Safety is top-notch, with standard adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for added peace of mind. With an estimated starting price of around $42,000, the CX-70 undercuts rivals like the Lexus RX and Acura MDX while offering comparable luxury and superior driving dynamics. The 2025 CX-70 is set to arrive in late 2024, making it a compelling choice for buyers seeking a sporty, well-equipped SUV without the luxury brand markup. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 stands out with its blend of performance, refinement, and value. Whether you prioritize spirited driving, upscale comfort, or advanced tech, this SUV delivers on all fronts. Keep an eye out for test drives this fall. It might just be the perfect midsize crossover for you. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.